Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to post long photos on Instagram. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, let me show you what is the problem which you are facing. So in my case, I'm also facing the same problem. Like if I just go to Instagram and try to upload a photo, this photo I want to upload and this photo I'm not able to upload fully. So in that case, what you can do, just firstly we need to open Google Play Store or App Store in case if you have iPhone. So we just have to search for an app PixArt and download it into your phone. Once your app is installed, just open it. If you want to create an account on this app, you can just create it, but let me skip it for now. Here you need to click on backgrounds, then you will find many types of colors, many types of backgrounds. You can just choose according to you, but I am just going with the plain white background, so I just have to click on the white color. And yeah, this is the background where we are going to add our photo. So to add your photo, just here you have the option for add photo, which you can see at the bottom. So if I click on add photo, here I have the photo which I want to post on Instagram. So I just need to select the photo, just click on add, which you can see at the top right hand corner. And once you add the photo, you can just resize it according to you. If I want to make it a bit zoomer, I can just do that. If I want to upload it fully, I can just do that as well, but let me select like this. Once you resize the photo according to you, you just need to click on this tick sign, and now we are going to download this photo into your phone. So just click on the download button. Now you can see the pop-up at the top that the photo is now saved into our gallery. So now we can go on Instagram and upload that photo. For that, let me click on plus sign, and this is the photo which we are going to upload. So the photo is looking good, so just let me post it. And yeah, as you can see, the photo is looking good, and that's it. This is how you can post long photos on Instagram. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.